Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 19th August 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Jesse Pollack from Base recently took to Twitter to discuss the concept of a dream wallet, highlighting the potential of the Safe ecosystem to bring this vision to life. The Safe platform offers a modular and open-source stack, allowing developers to create user-friendly wallets tailored for the expanding crypto user base. Key features of the Dream Wallet include customizable smart accounts, multi-factor authentication, and robust recovery options like social and timed recovery mechanisms. Safe also supports passkeys for secure access and multi-signature capabilities for enhanced security. The platform's ecosystem includes modules for spending limits, auto-savings, and cold storage, all compatible with ERC 7579, ensuring seamless integration across different smart account implementations. Safe encourages developers to explore its resources, including funding programs and community support, to build innovative wallet solutions. In a significant move, the Arbitrum DAO has successfully passed a proposal for ARB token staking, receiving overwhelming support from over 25,000 participants. This initiative aims to boost the utility of the ARB token and strengthen governance security. ARB holders can now stake their tokens in exchange for a liquid staked ARB token, or SDARB, which facilitates auto-compounding of rewards and compatibility with DeFi applications. The staking mechanism will use Tally's liquid staking token system, tailored for Arbitrum's governance structure. Future sequence of fee surpluses will reward those who stake and delegate their tokens to active delegates, determined by a karma score reflecting their governance engagement. This proposal addresses concerns over the low active use of ARB tokens and aims to prevent governance attacks. The implementation is estimated to cost around $200,000 in ARB tokens, covering development and security audits. This governance update is a crucial step in increasing ecosystem participation and aligning token holders' interests with the protocol's long-term success. An insightful article delves into liquidity mining, LM, in DeFi, emphasizing the importance of understanding liquidity depth and its sustainability post-LM campaigns. Since the DeFi boom in 2020, significant progress has been made in measuring the costs associated with providing liquidity in AMMs. The author uses a metaphor of a town debating the depth of a swimming pool to illustrate the balance between costs and potential revenue from different customer segments. The analysis reveals that deeper liquidity can reduce rejected transactions, particularly for larger swaps, but also incurs higher costs. A critical liquidity depth of approximately $6 million is identified, beyond which providing liquidity becomes unprofitable without subsidies. The article suggests that LM campaigns should aim for this sustainable depth while considering the potential for attracting more users and creating organic demand. In competitive environments, larger pools attract more volume, diminishing the profitability of smaller pools. The author concludes that while pushing liquidity depth beyond sustainable levels can be beneficial, it requires careful monitoring of demand and costs. The trend of decentralized applications, dApps, moving towards sovereign chains or AppChains is gaining traction, driven by the perception of financial exploitation. Many dApps struggle to be profitable, with recent examples like @ZKX protocol shutting down, raising questions about their business models. The primary income for dApps comes from user fees, but they often lose value to other actors in the transaction supply chain, particularly block proposers and sequencers in Layer 2 solutions. 3 potential solutions for dApps to reclaim value are proposed. Becoming an app chain, selecting a Layer 1 or Layer 2 that returns value, or implementing app-specific sequencing. Becoming an app chain offers high value but comes with high costs and complexity, making it unsuitable for all dApps. Deploying on an L1 or L2 is less expensive and allows for easier integration, though it provides only mid-level value. App-specific sequencing involves managing transaction ordering while relying on existing chains for execution, but its value remains uncertain. Ultimately, while some dApps may benefit from moving to app chains, others may find more suitable solutions within existing frameworks. Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, shared 10 ideas he is excited about in the crypto space, emphasizing that bear markets are ideal for building new projects. He announced the inaugural Coinbase Ventures Summit, scheduled for October in Malibu, California, aimed at bringing together builders in the crypto industry. Interested participants can apply to join the summit through the provided link. Armstrong also highlighted Coinbase's ongoing efforts to innovate, including the launch of Build on Base, an Ethereum Layer 2 platform designed to enhance scalability and usability for developers. In previous updates, Armstrong discussed regulatory challenges, including a Wells notice from the SEC regarding staking and asset listings, which he believes could lead to enforcement actions. He expressed confidence in Coinbase's compliance with the law and the importance of addressing regulatory clarity for the crypto sector. Additionally, he supported bipartisan efforts to clarify crypto tax reporting through the reintroduction of the Keep Innovation in America Act. Armstrong has been vocal about the significance of staking in the crypto ecosystem, arguing that it fosters network participation and sustainability. Overall, he encourages innovation and collaboration within the crypto community during challenging market conditions. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful and engaging. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Stay informed and stay curious.